I'm cutting breadboard ends on this tabletop, and I need to drop the router cutter by 1mm. So I thought I'd show you how I go about achieving that 1mm drop on the router. And I use feeler gauges. These would have been used in cars in the traditional old-fashioned point system for setting the timing in cars. And basically they are metal shims of different thicknesses. So I need 1mm, so that would be 0.7 and 0.3. Put those two together, make sure there's no other shims in as well. Raise my depth stop. And now when I plunge the router, that will go an additional 1mm down.